Hey guys, I wanted to film something really exciting today, at least to me. I wanted to film the unboxing of my very first luxury item, and I happened upon this by sheer luck. Here's the box. It was like 1 a.m. You know, those late night breastfeeding sessions, you're on your phone and you're perusing through YouTube and the internet, and oh, sorry, I'm like just enamored. Here's the fancy folder with all the paperwork in it, and this item, here it is, you probably know what this is always sold out online. Always. It always says, you know, call for availability, but when I was on the website, miraculously it said add to bag, and you guys, I added to my bag so fast and checked out, and by the time I was done checking out, once again it said, you know, call for availability. But here we go, let's open it. I'm so excited. I know everybody knows what this is. Let's just take it out of the box. Here it is. The infamous Louis Vuitton key pouch, formerly known as the Cles. I've always wanted, I'm saving up for a Louis Vuitton piece, so here's my first one. If you've seen any of my other videos, I would destashed, KonMari and destashed a lot of my handbag collection, and I've been selling it, so I've been saving up for a Louis Vuitton piece. And this is a great first piece to get. Now, let's see. So here are the cards that are inside. Okay, this one is made in the USA. It says right there, and there's that tag. Now, I've heard that the made in the USA ones are not as good of a quality as the ones made in France. And actually, it doesn't look that bad. Like they say, the stitching, you probably can't even see, but on the bottom is more loose, so you can see light coming through, but I don't see any light coming through. But yeah, there it is. This is a great first piece, a great investment piece, because A, it's small, and it's the cheapest one, I think, basically. So you get a really good feel of the brand and the materials. And also, it is so incredibly versatile. There's so many things that you can do with this little pouch. Its intention, use it as a key holder and hide your keys inside, so when you put them in your bags, you don't scratch up the inside of your bags. You can use this as a card holder. You can fit like 13 or more cards in here. You can use it as like a small catch-all for your smaller handbags, a mini medical kit, a mini medicine kit. Like, it's endless. So yeah, this is really exciting. So I brought my car keys up, and goodbye Vera Bradley. We'll see how it works here. But yeah, so I've been looking to get a piece from Louis Vuitton. Now, I'm not a big fan of the monogram canvas, but I wanted at least one small thing in the monogram, and this fits the bill. Okay, so I've seen that this works like that. Oh, look at this. There. Let's see how they all fit in here. I have quite a big car fob. To fumble with the fob. I think I just have to fumble with placement. Okay, it fits. But again, there's so many other things I can use this for. I will literally use this every single day. But yeah, so I'm really excited. There it is, guys. All right, if you watched, thanks for watching.